Hello, mfethu, kama nami Mgcwele Nkosi Umzomuhle wakwaZulu. Welcome to Rising Star Media and Films. Ngiyathemba ukuthi niyaphila nonke lapha enikhona. Impilo saniphethe kahle. So today bengifuna ukuthi sikhulume ngendaba esematheni eyenzakalayo la eSouth Africa ethinta kakhulu abantu bokufika ngokungemthetho la eSouth Africa. So I came across a post on TikTok, if ungaqamba manga. The post le bekhuluma nge-land ownership ekhona la eSouth Africa, and lo mfo uchaze ukuthi uyazi if ungaqala wenze i-research before ujoine imarch le yenzakalayo or i-movement le yenzakalayo against abantu abokufika la eSouth Africa abafika ngokungemthetho bephinde benze izinto ezingalungile, uyazi ukuthi lonto le ingagcina ikuthena amandla ngani na, ngoba majority of the land la eSouth Africa is not owned by native people. Lapho esibala khona abantu abamnyama, abantu okuyibona bona abakulelizwe. Majority of the land is owned by a trust, lapho esibala khona ama-community leaders, nenkosi, and also ama-individual okungama-companies akhona la eSouth Africa. So lonto leyo ingithinte kakhulu ngoba ngilokuzibuza umbuzo ukuthi ngabe le mpi esilwayo is still worth it? Ngabe are we fighting a losing battle, or lokho esikulwelayo silwela into ekhona noma silwela nje izinto zabantu? Ngabe ugovernment uthuleleni ngayo yonke lento eyenzakalayo? So I did my own small research here, ngoba bengifuna ukusitholela mina ukuthi kahle kahle ngabe lento le bisho lo mfo iyiqiniso kangakanani. You understand? So ngizofunda nje njengoba ibhaliwe la. So here they say land ownership in South Africa is a complex subject, with data often split between registered land, in bracket deeds office, and unregistered land. Based on the most comprehensive national audit and recent reports into 2026, here is the breakdown of whom owns the majority of land in South Africa. You understand? So now I'm gonna break it down to you ukuthi ubani kahle kahle lo oyena own umhlaba omningi la eSouth Africa. Number one, private individuals. Ibona aba-own majority of the land here in South Africa. The largest portion of South African land is held in private ownership. Isn't that? These include individual citizen, companies, and trust. You understand? There are some individual people abangama-citizens of South Africa who owns majority of the land. Bese kuzoba ama-company, bese kuzoba ke ama-community leaders, and also inkosi. The total private land, roughly 90% of all registered land in South Africa, is owned by individuals, companies, and trusts. Farms and agricultural holdings, this is the most significant category, making up about 97% of the country total land area. which means farmers, they own 97% of the land here in South Africa. And as long as who owns the farms here in South Africa, who are people who are controlling agriculture in South Africa. We all know that. Racial breakdown in ownership of the land. We agriculture kubalwa ukuthi 72% abantu abamhlophe. Colored citizen about 15%. Indians about 5%. Bese kuza thina. We own only 4% of the land. That is very, 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 very sad. Okay, siqhubeke. The government state-owned land. The government state owns roughly 14 to 22% of the total land in South Africa, depending on how categorized state-held versus state-managed land. State-owned land, this includes national parks, military base, public schools, hospitals, and land held by state-owned enterprise like Excom or Transnet. Bese last restitution and redistribution as of 2025 and 2036. The government has been accelerating land reform, recently reporting the redistribution over 1.58 million hectares of black beneficiaries, though targets for women and youth participation remain a work in progress. Okay? Season markings. Kings and traditional leaders shoot labo baba we communal land. You understand? It's a community land. Communal land. You understand? A significant portion of land, particularly in provinces like KZN, Eastern Cape, and Limpopo, is held in trust for communities. The Ingonyama Trust is the prominent example where roughly 2.8 million of hectares, about 30% of land in KZN, is held by the trust on behalf of the Zulu King for the benefit of the community. As much as we are the ones who are dominated KwaZulu-Natal, but still our king owns only 30% of the land there. He doesn't own the whole of KZN. Lokho kusho ukuthini kuwena? Kusho ukuthi kuneminye imithetho engeke ishaywe inkosi or ingonyama izwakale ngoba aka-own yonke part of KZN. He only owns 30% of the land. Chaza ukuthini lo nto as umuntu omnyama ophila eSouth Africa, chaza ukuthi usenkingeni. Usenkingeni. Okay? Siqhubeke. But former homelands, about 13 to 15% of South African land consists of former homelands areas. This land is often unregistered in the deed office and is administered by traditional authorities and kings on behalf of the people living there. So, 15% to 13% to 15% of South African land owned abantu abangarejistile. Abangarejistanga ukuhlala lapho, ochaza ukuthi most of the people abahlala endaweni ezikhona lezi ezibalwayo eKZN abarejistile kodwa baphila ngaphansi kwamakhosi. You understand? So no one can fully say ukuthi mina eyami le ndawo I own this place. If ungafika government nje ethi ngicela ukunisusa kule ndawo le sifuna ukufaka ikhampani and ayikho into ongayenza, you've got nothing ongayiphatha ebe ubufakazi bokuthi wena you are owning that place or that particular area. Ubekiwe nje wena ukuthi hayi cha ngicela ukubeka la uhlale la. Ayizwe indaba. Kodwa wena you call yourself ukuthi hayi ungwala eSouth Africa, kumele ube la ngoba this thing, it pains me. Okay, siqhubeke. Number 4, business owners and companies. Companies and trusts hold a massive share of the productive economy. Lapho kubalwa khona a corporate ownership. Companies own roughly 25% of the registered land. These are often large-scale commercial farming operations, mining companies, or industrial property developers. Chaza ukuthini lokho kuwena? Chaza ukuthi most of the land ekhona la ubona khona kunama-farm, ubona khona kunama-mine, kunama-industrial areas, kunama-property, ubala khona amadolobha nani nani. Those places are not owned by black people. Yes, there are black people who are owning them, but there's a small number of them who are owning those places. Okay? So the ordinary citizen gap, while the majority of land is privately owned, there is a massive disparity in how it is owned, and most ordinary citizens, roughly 93% of landowners, own only 3% of total land area, typically in the form of small urban, even residential plots. Even the average of 0.4 hectares. In contrast, a tiny minority of commercial farmers and companies own the vast majority of the country's physical territory that makes about 97% land. So my question is, kwenzeka kanjani ukuthi majority in South Africa, but when it comes to land ownership, ithina esivele kugcineni? Ngabe le mpi silwayo yokulwela izwe lethu, are we fighting a losing battle or what? Because we need